Hey, what's going on, guys? Assad here, and in this tutorial, I'm gonna talking about Array.push. So, as you know, what push supposed to mean that it's extend a bit of array. So what it does is, you already created an array, and now you want to add something to the array. So this is what it does. So this is now we're gonna explore that what it does, how we gonna do that. So create something like animals equals, inside that what we're gonna do, pass pigs, comma, quotes, and after that sheep. And now log it on a console and look at this. Use the prototype of array, use the .push method, and not push, it's push, and pass something like cow, and it's gonna give you the number of things you are putting inside that. So if we go and create something like log it on a console and animals, it's gonna give you the new array, newly created array with the cow. And if you do you can put more than two stuffs too, like hen. See, this you can do this. Another way to do this, you can pass as many arguments you want. That's not a big deal. So hope you guys understand. That's it. See you guys in the next tutorial.